Hey everybody, Ted with Quality Home Inspections down in Middletown, doing this flip property, and I'm going to show you what I got on the water heater. Okay, so one of these last videos I showed you the electrical line. So this is actually plexiglass. So as you can see, it's not secure. I can get my fingers in there. That's 220 going through there. That'll knock me right on my ass. Same with this. You know, plexiglass. I got rust from an old leak from one of the elements. You know, rust everywhere. I've got no, you know, shut-off valve. I mean, this is a mess. I just, you know, go on and on and on about this water heater. So, story short, I'm going to have to ask for the covers to be put back on, the manufacturer covers to be put back on that water heater, which I'm going to show you. Tell you, they're not going to be available because that's a Kenmore, and this thing is from like 1999. So if they get lucky and find them on the internet, great, but I doubt it's going to happen, and they got to secure that better. So, you know, long story short, Plumbers going to look at this and request a new water heater. They're going to say new water heater. So, you know, that's that with the water heater. So, you know, I just want to thanks for watching. It's Ted with Quality Home Inspections, 302-883-8797 or inspectdelaware.com.